Good morning, everyone. It's too cloudy today for the sun. Can't come out. So, no sunrise. But it's alright. I have a very interesting project today. So, it's lockdown, and I noticed today I ran out of liquid hand soap. I thought since I have this scrap like bar soaps, why not turn this into liquid hand soap? That's what we're going to do today. I will make this scrap bar soaps into liquid hand soap. Yay! How do we do that? Well, first we need to weigh how much scrap bar soaps we have. So we have about 4 ounces of this scrap bar soaps, and what we're going to do is shred all of this, and I'm going to use this cheese grater and place all our shredded bar soap into a pot. So with this shredded bar soap, we're going to combine it with about 8 cups of water so we can melt it easy on this pot. So we're going to heat this until the shredded soap have melted. You guys can use less water if you want the liquid soap to be a bit creamy and thicker, but yeah, usually I just use 8 cups for every 4 ounces. So we'll just wait until these bits of bar soap has melted. I'm keeping it from overflowing, so I need to keep it at either medium to low heat. And if you guys want to have a bit of moisturizing effect on this liquid hand soap, then you can try to put or include a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. I don't have one, so I'll just keep with this. Or if you guys want a certain scent, then you can also use essential oil. Just add a tablespoon in this mixture. Looks like our soap has melted, so I'll just turn off the heat and we'll let this sit overnight. That way, once we let this cool and sit overnight, we'll let it thicken a bit and we'll get our liquid hand soap done. Okay, so this is the consistency that I have for our mixture. If you get you think it's too thick, then just add a bit of water and mix it. I think this consistency is all right. And if you guys find out that it's too pasty or there are clumps, then use electric mixer to break it up. And it's ready to be transferred to container. See. So that's this. I think I'll mix a bit more just so I'm sure that there are no lumps. So now I have a full container of this liquid hand soap, and I still have quite a bit there for refill. And there you go. So that's it for today. Our job accomplished. And please don't throw away those scrap bars so you can make your own liquid hand soap. Until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoy this episode. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And also, if you like this episode, please press the thumbs up. Thank you very much.